Although the Democratic Republic of Congo is among the 5 poorest countries in the world, it offers some opportunities for Forex traders. However, investors will need to sign up with offshore brokers as the country doesn't have any local brokers. So, you will need to find the best Forex brokers in DR Congo from the list of offshore brokers. Therefore, this article has made a Forex brokers list in DR Congo so that Forex traders in DR Congo can start easily. Best Forex brokers in list, Democratic Republic of the Congo. There are many Forex brokers available in Democratic Republic of the Congo, but the best Forex brokers in this list are FP Markets, Black Bull Markets, Cap, Octa, FX Pro, DNA Markets, IC Markets, FXGT.com, FXTM, and FBS Markets. These all are basically the best Forex brokers in Democratic Republic of the Congo, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below. There are lots of Forex trading platforms available, but the best ones always have a few things in common. They offer a robust range of features, offer solid customer support, and always have high industry security standards, features that all traders need to consider when they're going through the selection process. Moreover, these Forex trading platforms also typically allow you to trade without needing to pay high fees, making them more financially attractive than standard commissions and spreads priced. This will make it easy for you to follow your trades, get news flashes on growths that may affect your markets, and set alerts for buy, sell signals. If you are not quite sure which one is the best, you can try either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. If you choose a good and reliable Forex broker, you increase your chances of success in the Forex market. A bad broker can lead to losses or even scams, so it's important to research and find reputable brokers that have been around for a while. A great way to get started is to first choose and then select a Forex broker. Many people are unclear about the differences among the brokers, which means they don't know what to look for. In order to find the best Forex brokers in Congo, it is important to understand the criteria. The following are some of the things that you should consider when looking for a broker. Number 1. Financial regulations. Number 2. Financing. Number 3. Trading platforms. Number 4. Multiple platforms. Number 5. Range of products offered. Number 6. Fees. Number 7. Customer reputation. Number 8. News and recent developments. Number 9. Bonus. Number 10. Trading limits and minimum deposit. Forex is a form of trading that is specifically for the foreign exchange market. More often than not, it's also called the foreign exchange market and currency market because it is how traders buy, sell, and trade currencies in order to make a profit. Despite its popularity, many people who want to get started with Forex may not know where to begin, which means they miss out on potential profits from the beginning. Hopefully, this article will help you out choosing the best Forex brokers in DR Congo. Also, check out our DR Congo Forex brokers list to choose a broker for maximum profit. These all are basically the best Forex brokers in Democratic Republic of the Congo, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below.